In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Copilot from auto-starting on Windows. If Copilot keeps popping up every time you sign in and you'd rather launch it only when you need it, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn off its automatic startup without uninstalling anything. First, we need to open the Windows Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That opens Settings immediately. If that shortcut isn't convenient for you, you can also open the Start menu and select the Settings gear icon, or type Settings into the search bar and press Enter. Either way, we're aiming to open the Settings window so we can change how apps behave at sign-in. Once Settings is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section controls how your installed apps are managed. Inside Apps, choose Startup. The Startup page shows a list of applications that are allowed to run automatically when you sign into Windows. Each app has a toggle that you can turn on or off, and Windows may also show an impact indicator to suggest how much that app might slow down your startup time. By the way, if you need the official Microsoft page for the Copilot app, I've placed a link right at the top of the description so it's easy to find. You don't need it to complete this process, but it's there for reference or future use. Now in the startup list, look for Microsoft Copilot. You may need to scroll a bit, and in some versions of Windows you might see a search box to filter the list. Use that if it's available. If you don't see Copilot here, that usually means it's not set to launch at startup on your system, so there's nothing you need to change in this menu. If you do see Microsoft Copilot in the list, go ahead and toggle it to off. When the switch is off, Windows won't auto-start Copilot the next time you sign in. This doesn't remove or disable the app entirely, it simply stops it from launching on its own. You can still open Copilot anytime by clicking its icon, searching for it from the Start menu, or pinning it to your taskbar for quick access. To confirm the change, you can restart your computer or sign out and back in, but that's optional. From now on, Copilot should no longer appear automatically at startup, helping you get to your desktop faster and keeping distractions to a minimum. That's all there is to it. If this helped, consider sharing it with someone who might be dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching.